Well, welcome to the big Zambian road race. I just saw the national champion of Zambia. Wow, he's a beast. I think it's roughly 75 out, 75 back, dead flat, but they'll have a headwind for the 75 Ks on the return leg. Heaps of bike riders, sensational day. I'm going to be sitting in the back of Brian's ute watching some of the race. Seen some beautiful outfits, and some of the guys here have got some flash bikes too. Everyone's here, the ambulance, the police, the motorcycle commissaires as we call them back home, and we should have a blast of a day. And the good thing about it is I'm not riding. So what's the name of the race?
Oh, this race?
Yeah.
Twende Mwembeshi.
Okay, how far?
Us elite, we are doing 150.
Oh,
yeah,
that's a long way. So you're the national champion, road champion of Zambia?
Currently, I'm not the Zambian champion.
But you have been?
Yes.
That's cool.
So our teammate is the one that's our Zambian championship.
So other than the 2 bottles you've got on your bike, how much food you taking for 150 kilometers, or will there be a stop like a feed station?
Yeah, so we have the recovery vehicle behind.
Yeah.
So like for me, after 35, I just need to drink some water, and at least I need to get a new bottle of water. Perfect. Yes.
Yeah.
So in 2 hours ride, I need just at least 2 to finish over 3 bottles of water.
It's going to be a long day out there. The key to winning.
Yeah, that winning.
Sit on, do nothing until the last 200, 300 meters.
Yeah.
That's the money part.
So for today, I'll be just a super domestic.
I like these jerseys. Where do you get these jerseys from?
This one is sponsored by the first Panda.
Okay.
So this one is the national championship.
Oh, he is the national champion. Wow. So how far are you racing today, young lady?
About 100 km.
How far?
100 km.
Wow. On the mountain bike?
Yeah.
Why don't you have a road bike?
I have, but I decided to.
That's good. Well, all the best. Hope you go well. Now this guy is a national champion of Zambia. Nice jersey. Very cool.
National champion. Yeah.
Now I've got my money on you, young man. Right. Okay, so I expect you to win. All right, all the best. How cool's that? Got to shake the big fella's hand. He's probably going to have he'll probably have good luck. Well, let's hope so.
It's nothing distracting you on the road. Let's stay focused, let's stay safe, huh? Thank you.
Well, these guys are the elites and they're doing the 150Ks.
I think it's into the off-road.
Could you imagine this going on in Australia?
Good morning, riders. Good morning,
Yeah.
good morning, good morning.
No, police wouldn't approve anything.
Mulifiti! Alright, Mulifiti! We are about to start. Amen.
Amen.
Remember also, when as far as
Well, there they go. This will be interesting to see how they ride. And here's the ladies. All right. 130, I think 130. And that's the women's start, 130 Ks. Oh, long time since I've rode 130 kilometres. Now I think the next wave is 100 kilometres. Well, we'll see you out on the road. Well, here's the A graders. There's the... Well, we've got a breakaway here. Pretty hard to hold the chasing bunch off. Right, there's the Zambian champion, taking it real easy in the bunch. They're moving on pretty good. All right, see them at the turn. Well, they're still a good bunch together, probably about 40 Ks into it. Well, I think we need to overtake. Well, you've got the Zambian road champion, he's up the road, and you've got a couple of guys sitting in the back of the bunch here in his team, and they've been encouraging the front group to keep going, and You see this group, this quantum group, they will just sit back and take it easy. Not a bad view from up here. This bunch don't do chasing. They're gone. It's over for the day. Well, we got all this, the police have gone by. This is this guy on a Harley who's doing some commissaire work. Let's see the guys come. I think this is the lead group. Confident of that. They're going pretty well too. Here they come. Oh, and the chase bunch is catching too. That's surprising. That gap's decreased. Zambian road champion still in this bunch. Boys are powering along well. And here comes the chase bunch. Blokes on the front driving it. Not giving up. Well, they're turned now, halfway mark. And the bunch is regrouped. Well, we've got a leader rider up in front. He's got a good gap. A couple of guys chasing. We'll see how he goes. Look, he's got a bit of movement there. But he's okay. Here we have another two riders. Hey, that's the guy we chatted to on the rollers. He's looking good.
Bit pitch.
All these other team members should be sitting back doing nothing.
Pushing on, guys.
Well, you can see the guys in the distance. We'll get a time gap. Well, here's the chasing bunch, and they are down about 1:30. And there's no reason for the national champions team to be anywhere near the front of the bunch, other than to unsettle them. We'll group up the road. They're the winning group. Well, the crowds are forming now for the finish of the bike race. We've got the police car leading the race. It is going to be close. I wonder if those three guys are still out in front. I think they will be. Well, they've opened the sprint. Here they go. Huge! Now we've got the sprint for fourth. I think some ladies will be in the bunch as well. And the Zambian National Road Champions in this group. Let's see how he goes. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Fourth place. There's the Zambian champion. Yeah, there we go. Fight to the end. And here's the first lady home. Marvellous effort. Well, that's far too much excitement for one day. That's good to see everyone still hanging around after a race. All having a laugh, all congratulating each other. That's nice.
So well done, everyone. Well done, everyone. Well done. I think we can give ourselves a round of applause. So this was the first race of the season. Nikawoma chabe. And we can go back again. So well done, everybody. This is better than I expected for a first race in terms of attendance and in terms of performance as well. I'm looking forward to what this season has, given we know we are going to get fitter and better as we go along. I'll announce the results. In second place, so Weekend Warriors did how many kilometers? 10. 5.
60. We have a shortage to 80k.
Nothing.
I'm telling you.
All right, wax on Zulu.
Hey!
Yeah, wax on. Where is behind? You and you supposed to be in elite too.
Wax on. Wait.
And the winner for the Weekend Warriors. This one is a scandal picture.
How's it a scandal for you?
This is the first and last time.
It was rigged.
Discussion? We'll talk about it later.
We'll talk later.
Thanks, man. Cheers. You see, Presto.
Sorry.
The good is Ayanga.
Peter. Come closer.
Because of Malcolm. I need to blame somebody.
Intermediate MTB men.
We'll take something.
Intermediate MTB men. In third place, Dixon Mulenga.
Thank you. Yeah, we have two for the group.
Kansanshi cycling. In second place, Kunda Mazabuka. That's from Kansanshi. There is the whole family. Is the whole family? Yes. Okay. Where are your brothers? And the other one? But you weren't ready. And the winner, Derek Shalomba. Elite. Oh, it was on an empty bit. It's okay. But this is the last time now. Yet Road men. In third place, Bruce Mawoshe. Mawosha. In second place, Christopher Muke. This is Kansanshi cycling. And the winner, Richard Kashimoto. On to elite women. In third place, Vanessa Matende. Red arrow.
Vanessa Matende. Alo wagai. Mugasitotera ako muntu akachachi. Tumutezi. Chimwela. Kulekota ko chimwela. Kamle bamuna ba mako marine chimwela. Namba yowe.
Second place, Louis Chikomba.
Makansanshi mwatotera ko muntu wani.
And first place, Margaret Mukoma.
Margaret Mukoma.
In third place, Emmanuel Malaika.
Manja.
Asira.
Vangeli. Yavomera Vangeli walipo.
Atibachikusula. They underrated you. Ati walipwa. Muzo muri kuti.
Abatiye nama yabakasinga.
In second place, Kansanshi cycling, Paaudi Wadaudi. Michael Olokani.
Mwana.
And the winner, Twin Palm, Chingo. You won the last time.
Yellow chest, defending champion.
Mwembeshi. Chings. At Gwilani number. Thank you. All the winners, then we can come and do a group photo.
This is the Weekend Warriors ladies section.
Then we also have this
Here we go.
intermediate women. What's it? All right.
At the count of three. Mr. President, please just join.
Now the president.